Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect NetBenefits to your brokerage account for transfers. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect NetBenefits to your brokerage account for transfers, start by logging into your NetBenefits account. Locate the account menu at the top of the page. Select Transfers from the drop-down options. You will see an option for Connect Brokerage Account. Click on it. Next, you will be prompted to enter your brokerage account information. Provide the name of your brokerage firm and your account number. Choose the type of account you wish to link, such as an individual or joint account. Once all information is entered, click on Continue. NetBenefits will then verify your account information. This process may take a few moments, so be patient. After verification, you will be directed to authorize the connection. Review the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, proceed by clicking on Authorize or Agree. You may need to complete additional security steps, such as entering a verify. Once you have completed all security requirements, the connection will be established. You will receive confirmation of the successful link to your brokerage account. Now, you can initiate transfers between NetBenefits and your brokerage account. To transfer funds, return to the Transfers menu. Select Transfer Funds and follow the prompts to initiate your transfer. Choose the account you want to transfer from and the account you want to transfer to. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review all details before submitting the transfer request. Once verified, click on Submit. You will receive a confirmation of your transfer request. Keep an eye on your accounts to confirm that the transaction is processed successfully. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section of NetBenefits or contact customer support. Following these steps will help you seamlessly connect your NetBenefits account to your brokerage account for easy fund transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.